Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the call features and briefly we discussed few of the features that Asterisk provide. There are so many other features that we can get from the Asterisk website as well. Now moving onward, we'll be discussing how we can start with Asterisk. There's a easy option that you can start with Asterisk by going to their website, that is asterisk.org, and choose the download item in the menu. There you will find information on how to get release from FTP server on download to the latest development source code in the CVS repository. Also, there are lots of information including video tutorial available to Asterisk website. There is a section called Get Started. From there you will find so many tutorials, that is video tutorials and text as well, through which you will get a deep knowledge about the Asterisk. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture and we'll see you soon, inshallah.